Hey, this is Roger from Knead Massage in Brisbane, showing you how to overcome knee pain using a foam roller. Apply a good amount of pressure, let my body weight come down onto the foam roller, but we're only moving about 1 to 2 millimeters per second. It's quite slow. Taking the time to let the muscle relax into the pressure. So I will do this about 3 to 5 times. And I don't recommend you use the foam roller more than every 2 to 3 days. It's really helpful if you follow it up with a good stretch like the Bretzel stretch. Have a great day.